Found 3 platforms that are going to pay you for solving CAPTCHAs. CAPTCHAs, you know CAPTCHAs now. Confirm that you are not a robot. Select the pictures of houses in the box. Rearrange the images. 1 + 1 = 2. These 3 platforms are going to be paying you for doing that. Now, these 3 platforms go as far as paying you up to $1 for every CAPTCHA you are able to answer. Is that not huge? So if you can put in your time in these 3 platforms, you are going to be getting paid. So without any further ado, let's get straight down to business. Let's go there. Yes, my name is Solomon Choose. Here we tell you different ways you can make money online, like affiliate marketing, content creation, digital marketing. We go as far as testing platforms that promises to pay you, and if eventually it works, we bring it down here for you to do them and make money for yourselves. We are the only platform that teaching you real life digital skills that will help you make money for a lifetime, not temporal. Now, if these are the type of content you would like to consume, please, I would like you to click on the subscribe button and then smash the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime we drop contents like this. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you top 3 platforms that are going to be paying you to solve CAPTCHA. Now, solving CAPTCHA takes you less than few seconds to do. Takes you 1 to 3 seconds to solve a particular CAPTCHA. As a matter of fact, there are bots that can actually help you do this CAPTCHA. I'm going to be talking about that in the video. So today I'm going to be telling you these 3 platforms so you can go into them and do them. Sign up with these platforms and start working immediately. All right, combine the 3. Don't do 1 because the money is actually small, but when you combine the 3 of them, you are going to be making a whole lot of money. All right, now without wasting time, let's get straight down to my computer. Let me show you these platforms immediately. All right, without wasting time, the first platform we are going to be talking about today is called CAPTCHA.com. 2CAPTCHA.com is going to pay you for solving CAPTCHA for companies, businesses, and brands. Now, these companies come to this platform and give them their CAPTCHA problem because they are too busy, and they are willing to, and they will give them money, and this company will divide the money with people that solve the CAPTCHA. Okay, now you are going to be making money solving CAPTCHAs here. This company have been tested and trusted. They have been here for a very long time, and people are doing and making a whole lot of money from here. So work solving service, work for 2CAPTCHA. Okay, here are the people who want to work, and here are people who are doing the job. Okay, start from $1 for 1,000 solved CAPTCHA and so on. Now, this CAPTCHA solving process can be automated. Okay, it can be automated. There is what we call CAPTCHA bot. So if you want me to make a video on CAPTCHA bot so that you learn how you are going to be solving this CAPTCHA automatically so that your money can be coming faster, tell me in the comment section so I will know how many people that wants the video exactly, and I'm going to make a comprehensive video on CAPTCHA bot. So it's going to help you solve the CAPTCHA very, very well. So CAPTCHA can take you within 3 seconds to 6 seconds to solve. You can see it. $1 per CAPTCHA, $1 per 1,000 CAPTCHA. It take you 6 seconds and so on. Few seconds and you are done. Okay, few seconds and you are done. Now, this is not going to make you rich. Like I always tell you here, we tell you the truth about making money online. We tell you the exact truth. We don't miss what because we want to retain you as a viewer. No, we tell you the truth. It's not going to make you a millionaire. It's not going to make you thousands of dollars, but it's going to give you money on the side. So, but people who will enjoy it more are people who have all the time, like the stay-home mom or people who are not employed. If you're not employed, it's not bad if you're giving your time to this. You're going to be making something. You may make $500, $200, $100 per month from this place. Okay, especially if you are using the bot. So all you need to do to get started is to just click on sign up here. You click on sign up, then you input your email address, your password, and you get started. Now, one of the ways to make good money from here is through their affiliate program. Now, you get paid when you refer somebody to work on this platform, either to work or to bring job on this platform. You get a percentage out of whatever they earn. That is why I'm begging you to please use the link in the description to sign up. I'm going to be getting a little bit tips when you sign up using that link. Do it for me because somebody's going to do it for you. You are going to have your own link if you are really serious about making money here. Okay, somebody's going to use your own links too. Okay, so do it and you are going to be good. We are going to be making money solving CAPTCHA. Let's proceed to the next platform. Now, before we proceed to the next platform, this is Solo Communications. Here we talk about how to make money online, the honest truth about making money online. We try out different ways to make money online and we'll bring it out back to you. We'll bring it back to you so that you can try it out and see how much you can make for yourself. Okay, here we teach you how to make money online, affiliate marketing, content creation, social media management, social media marketing, and different other things that can make you money online. I'm a social media manager and a content strategist. So if you're a brand or a company, you have a brand, you want us to manage your social media account, or you're a content creator, you are just starting, you want us to help you and guide you on how to go about it, just click on the link in the description. I'm going to hit up, tell us, ask us about it. We're going to guide you. Okay, now if you're interested in making money the right way online, watch this video till the end, and we're going to tell you the right way you're going to be making real big money for you and your family if you're really interested. If you have not subscribed to this channel, you are missing a lot. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and please like this video. That is the only way you can pay us back for giving you this information. Let's go down to the next platform. All right, the next one is MegaTypers.com. You can see it here, MegaTypers.com. Now here you get jobs, you get perfect job typing jobs worth of $200 and above every month. So these people are ready to pay you up to $200 and above every month, solving CAPTCHA and typing CAPTCHA, and then you get paid points, and these points will be converted into cash whenever you are ready to make your withdrawal. Okay, and here you choose to schedule for when you want to work, how long you want your job to be, the time that will be okay for you so that you receive your job. So you schedule, you choose when you want to work, when you are ready to work, how long you are ready to work. So it's flexible for a student, a stay-home mom, a full-time job owner, and so on. So anybody can get paid here from any part of the world. That is why this place is amazing, like amazing. You can see it. MegaTypers.com is fantastic for mothers that stay at home, parents that need a second job, students, people in between jobs. So it's for everybody. You can schedule your time and so on. You can see earn typer credits worth over $200 every month. Okay, so you get credits that is worth over $200 every month to work, and this money you generated will be converted into cash and you can withdraw. They have many payment systems. All you need to do is to sign up, click on sign up, input your information, and then you are going to get started. Okay, input your details. You can see input your email address, your password, your name, payment type. How do you want to receive your payments? They can pay you through PayPal, pay you through Western Union, Perfect Money, Wet Money, Bitcoin, Litecoin. So anybody you can receive your payment. At least cryptocurrency is everywhere in the world, so you can receive your payment. So if you are restricted in some countries, or you don't have a PayPal account, you don't have all those online payment system, at least you can easily download Trust Wallet or any wallet that you're going to be using to receive your payment in cryptocurrency. So they pay in Bitcoin, Litecoin, and so on. So there is no limitation. So when you sign up, there is an invitation code which you are going to use. Okay, so that is it. You solve your CAPTCHA and you are good to go. With that, you are going to be getting jobs to do. So the last but not the least, this last is my favorite. They have been around since 2007 and they have been proven they have proven to be one of the best in the world, and you can work for them anywhere. And it's no other person. Before I tell you, if you have not subscribed to this channel, you don't know what you're missing. Here we tell you the exact truth about making money online. We don't paint it, we don't mince words. We tell you we are now in 1,800 full subscribers. Please add to our subscribers. That's the only way you're going to pay us back for this. And remember to share this video. It's going to help us a lot. Now remember, like I told you, we don't paint words here. This is not going to make you a millionaire. If you are thinking it's going to make you a millionaire, then you are lying to yourself. It's only going to give you money on the side. Okay, it's going to give you money on the side that you're going to use to keep up small money like that, so that you don't stay broke entirely. Okay, but if you have all the time, it's going to make you something a bit reasonable, like a stay-home mom. The last one but not the least is it's called Kolotibablo.com. Kolotibablo.com. Alright, this is Kolotibablo.com. Kolotibablo.com has been there since 2007 and they have been doing amazingly well, tested by many. And the most amazing part of Kolotibablo is that you can do instant withdrawal. It doesn't matter how much, 50 cents you can withdraw it. It doesn't matter how much. Very perfect and friendly. Okay, you can see stability. Kolotibablo is working from 2007 and we are not planning to go anywhere. Accuracy, track your entries and payment with our accurate statistic system. So companies come here, give their CAPTCHA jobs for people to do. Okay, for people to do. You can see, so if you're a Nigerian, you can see a Nigerian testifying here. This is Charles Samuel Chinwe. I'm in the quest to be financially independent. I came across Kolotibablo in the internet. I am glad working for this noble company because I can now earn money from comfort of my home. This is a Nigerian talking to you. Okay, this is a Nigerian talking to you, so you know what it means. Okay, so it is available for everybody in any part of the world. Kolotibablo. So all you need to do here is to scroll to the bottom and click on register. When you click on register, Kolotibablo is going to open up their sign up form, so you register and start working. So look at it here, you click on sign up, add your email, and you register and you start working. Now the thing is that I'm going to drop the link to these platforms in the description bar. Please, why I advise you to use the link is that some of them give us tips for referrals, okay, and you are going to be doing the same because you are going to have your own link that you are going to share to. Okay, so that is one of the ways you are going to appreciate me. But what I prefer most you can do for me is to like and share this video. What it's going to do is to tell YouTube that this video is important and it makes a lot of sense. So please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. Now, this is not the major way to make money online. Remember, we have a program coming up. It's a sin for a Christian youth to have the internet and the smartphone and not make money. Okay, so it is a sin if you're a Christian youth. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you will know when we announce this program. Now, to make money online, you have to have either a skill or a product to sell. Okay, you should have either a skill or a product to sell. So what skill? You can have digital marketing skill, content creation skill, social media management skill, and so on. You should learn one of these skills, and in return you are going to start selling them to make money. Now, if you have a product, you can get product for somebody. You don't have a product, you can start doing drop shipping. Get pictures of people products, start creating contents around it. That's why we advise people to learn content creation, and we make provision for this. We have a program that is compiled to help you go on with your content creation dreams. Content creation is the oil well of this generation, and people lives are changing from content creation. YouTube pays people up to $100,000 monthly for posting on YouTube. So if you're interested in learning content creation, I'm going to leave a link in the description bar so that you get access to our product, our course on how to become a profitable content creator. Take your decision now and start making money from the internet. I'm Solomon Chis from Solo Communications. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I sign out.